to the end of the building. Let's go. Not concerned what you have.